Hello, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video I wanted to show how we start in development for the Bitrix portal, how we do in programming actually. One of our clients asked us to write a video how we start in the development, how we connect in our development environment, how we start in development itself. So it's a short video, just let you know how we're doing that and how doing other programmers, actually all of them doing the same thing. So first of all, we connecting to the server. We're connecting to the server where Bitrix installed via SSH. So I ask my programmer to write a video. So he connecting to the server where we have installation of our self-hosted portal. So he connecting via SSH root and domain name in that particular case. Then he go to the when he going to the hided folder, and in that folder he opened a file which called authorized keys. So in that authorized keys we put in all open keys of SSH in the list who going to work with that server as a development. Usually it's admin, developer, and the project manager is me, just to check the final results of the work. So once he done it, then he open his development environment, which is Visual Code. And in Visual Code, programmer goes to the remote location button on left side of the Visual Code, and there he add a new remote location by clicking that plus button, and then Visual Code asking for enter SSH hit connection command. So he enter there the same command as before, SSH root add crm EMCsoft.io. Then he selecting a file where this connection will be saved. So it doesn't matter actually where to save, but usually everybody saved here in config file. So once he done it, we got a new connection, crm EMCsoft.io, and we clicking on this plus button, plus folder button on right side of that connection. Right, so we got a new opened, we got another Visual Code window is opening. And then in that new window, we click open folder. So open folder, and so we open particular path. So we going to /home, then home Bitrix www. So we go into the direction where Bitrix file located. So click OK. And Visual Code open that www folder, and this, so in this here we exactly see all files of a Bitrix self-hosted. So Bitrix self-hosted is open code CRM, so it's like Linux installation, for example, and all code of Bitrix you can see. So this is exactly files. There is not hidden files, scripted files. All files opened, you can see them, right? And in that particular files, in that particular folder, you need to create a new folder, which called local. So it's very important, because when you create a folder local, during the next update, Bitrix will ignore that folder for the update. So it means that all development which you will have will be vanished, right? So it's special script design for that. Ignore local folder, which is very important. And inside that folder, now we are creating additional folders for each of the development. So this is just an example that in my particular self-hosted portal, we have no development. We have clean Bitrix portal, which is coming by default, and you can see that deal card is looking the same as any new installation, right? So in local folder, we creating new additional folders like JS, PHP interface, tool, deals, and in these folders we creating additional files. So we create additional files inside of each folder, like deals section visibility JS, initial PHP, and the deals selection visibility PHP as well. So JS files and PHP files in each folder. Right, once we added that files and folders, we can see that deal card now looks very different than before. We added accordion functionality for our clean Bitrix portal. So that's it. So this is how we usually work. We got the clean portal. We do a connection of SSH. We put in list of open SSH keys who going to work with that portal. Usually it's a senior developer, our sys administration guy, and me as a project manager or another project manager. We create a local folder. We creating additional folders inside of that a local folder, just to remember what exactly we done, and we're doing development. We never ever change the code to the Bitrix itself because next update to the Bitrix will just completely vanish all that development. Unfortunately, sometimes we see that other developers doing changes of that folders because it's because it's just faster. It's faster to deliver the work. For example, customer asks you how much that could be, so you're saying that $1,000. Another contractor can save $200. So he doing the price difference will be because he will spend, now contractor will spend less time because he doing changes exactly in Bitrix files, which is absolutely not acceptable, and it's more time consuming to do develop inside the local folder, but finally that will never ever affect for updates, so updates will not vanish that file, and so actually it's more better of doing the work because you have less risk to crash the system, crash the portal, and so on. Of course, it's much better to do the development to development portal, because when you get a license, you get on 2 licenses. So 1 license for the development and 1 license for the live. And so development portal, you just need to tick the special button says that the development portal and do the development there, do the testing, and then move that development from local files to the live files. From a development portal to the live portal. So this is how it should work actually. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like that video, click like. If you got any questions, ask questions in comments on that video. And if you want to participate in our administration course, please leave your contact details in form, which is in description of that video. Probably you can want to participate in our development course, so you can leave your details, contact details in the same form as well. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.